decide the final design layout is group 4's design layout. Very good. And today let's do some reviews. Okay, let's see. Do you remember which part are you in charge of? Okay, so group 1, which part are you in charge of? Yes, it's the sky. And what color is your clock? It's blue? No, it's gray. Very good. And group 2, which part are you in charge of? Yes, the small optimist, the green optimist, right? Very good. And group 3, which part are you in charge of? Yes, the big one, the big optimist. And group 4, which part are you in charge of? Yes, the sea. And don't forget the 2 little fish. One is orange and one is yellow. Very good. And now, today we are going to outside to measure our artwork. So can you guess where are we going to measure and where are we going to do your artwork? Okay, I heard someone say 操场 and 篮球场. Oh, I heard someone say in the classroom. So let's see, where is it? Yes, it is basketball court. So later we will go to basketball court to measure our artwork, okay? So let's see what we need before we measure. Okay. We need some chalk and some tape measure. Okay. That's the 2 things that we need to measure our artwork. So how are we going to measure? So let's see. Let's decide the first part. So let's decide the size of the sea. Which group in charge of the sea? Okay, group 4. So now, 那第4组的人可以想一下，你们的海想要在哪边？我听到有人说在这里，在这里 ，here, here. Okay, so group 4. Come here and draw your sea. Here. Okay. Thank you. Okay. That's the sea. That's the size of the sea. Okay. 那第4组刚好说，因为他们觉得这个弧形、这个线很像是海浪的形状，所以他们决定呢把海放在这个地方。Okay, that's a good place. So that's the sea. So later you have 6 people in one group, right? So later everyone will hold the tape measure, and okay, first one stand here, the second one, third one, here and here. Okay, so there are 5 people, and they will hold the tape measure, right? And the last person will take a chalk, and you have to walk around them and draw your sea. So later you will get a shape, and that's the size of the sea. 那这个呢就会是你们的海的形状。到时候呢，这5个人就会拿着 tape measure， 然后呢，他就拿着，然后就这个人他就会拿着粉笔，然后沿路这样画，到时候你们就得到一个海浪。到时候你们就会得到一个海的形状。Okay, so do you understand? Yes. No. So any questions? Okay, Benson. 那 Benson 刚问了一个很好的问题，他说如果像他们是第3组的话 ，Okay, so group 3 is in charge of the big optimist. 假如这是他们的船，他说那如果他们的船那么大，那他们才6个人，那他们要怎么画？他们要怎么测量这个 big optimist 呢？ So that's a good question. Okay, so you are 6 people in one group, right? And you have 24 classmates, right? So all of you can help each other. 虽然我们是分成4组，但是我们是要全班完成一个集体的创作作品，所以呢，你可以互相帮忙，这样子了解吗？如果有哪一组画完了，那我们就可以去帮，比方说帮第3组啊，然后帮第2组画，站在那边，然后帮他们测量他们的 OP 帆船。好，这样子了解吗？好，那等一下出去外面的时候呢，你们在测量的时候，那等一下出去外面的时候呢，你们在测量你们的负责的部分的时候呢，你们也要互相的去参考对方的 部分。因为如果你们的天空太大，然后船很小的话，是不是就不好看？那如果你们的海很长很宽，然后你们的船小小的又很紧，是不是也不好看？所以呢，你们每一组呢都要去互相的帮忙，然后互相帮对方看说这样子整幅作品有没有协调，是不是很好？有没有协调 ？Okay, so any questions? No, very good. And so before we go to the basketball court, each group assign one person to come here to take one chalk and one tape measure. Okay. Okay, so each group has one tape measure and one chalk, right? Okay, so let's go to the basketball court. Let's go. Okay, now you can go to the basketball court to measure your part.
Now we just came back from the basketball court, and this is your final design layout, right? So let's see what materials can be there. You can use to do your artwork. The first one, what is it? Yes, it's a bucket, and you can use a blue bucket to be where? To be your sea or the big optimist. And how about if you have a red bucket? Oh, the red bucket can be the optimist too. Okay, the next one. What is it? Yes, they are buttons. The buttons, if you have a white button, you can use it to be the clouds. Yes. And how about a yellow button? A yellow button can be the sun or the fish. Great. And what are they? Yes, they are the clothes. And we have a blue and pink uniforms, right? So you can use your uniforms to be the optimist. They are blue and pink. So you can use your school uniforms. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, next, what are they? They are bottles and cans. You can use the bottles and cans in the recycle box to be the clouds, or if you have an orange can, you can use it to be the fish. Yes. How about a box? A box, you can use it to be the sun because the box is very big. So you can use it to be the big yellow sun. Okay, how about this one? They are newspaper. Yes, newspapers, you can use it to be what? Yes, I heard someone says you can use it to be the cloud because the newspaper looks like white. So you can use it to be the cloud, or you can be somewhere you want. You can also color it, so it can be any color you want. Okay. Now you have to discuss what materials your group going to bring next week. So before you discuss it, I'm going to give you the work distribution chart. Now what you have to do is to find your group members and write down your class first. We are 502, and for example, I'm group 4. So I will write 4 here, and our group members, Ian, Samuel, Ken, and Bella, and Erin, and Elsa. So what are we going to do with these blanks? For example, I am Ian, and we are group 4, right? The group 4 are in charge of the C, so we need to bring something blue. So I'm Ian, and after our discussion, Ian is going to bring the blue bucket. So I can draw a bucket here, or also write down the blue bucket. So So what you have to do later is to discuss what your group members are going to bring next lesson and finish this worksheet, okay? Now you can start to discuss, and later we will have sharing to share what's your result. Okay, now the discussion is over. Now which group is going to come to the front and share? Okay, group 1. Later you have to say, hello, we are group 1 and we are in charge of what and who will bring what for something. For example, I'm group 4, right? So I will say, hello, we are group 4. We are in charge of the sea, and Ian will bring blue bucket for the sea, and let us cooperate. Thank you. Okay? Okay, now group 1, please come to the front and do the sharing. Okay, everyone just did a very good sharing. So remember to bring what you need next lesson.